Mike has a long train journey ahead of him today. He needs to be at the station before noon. He arrives with a few minutes to spare. Just off his platform, there is a small shop selling bento boxes for travelers on longer trips. Mike always stops here when he travels from this station. For years, he has bought the same salmon bento. He knows exactly what to expect. He steps inside and goes straight to the shelf where it is usually waiting. The space is empty today. Someone got there first. He looks along the shelf. There are more varieties than he realized. Each box has a photograph on the front showing the food arranged neatly in separate compartments. He picks one up and studies the photograph for a moment. The contents look similar to what he usually gets. He doesn't recognize the name on the label. Close enough, he decides, and puts it in his bag. He joins the short queue at the counter and pays. Then he makes his way to the platform, where the train is already waiting. He finds his window seat and settles in. He slides his bag onto the overhead shelf. The doors close. The train begins to pull away from the platform. The station disappears behind him. He takes out the bento box and opens it on the fold-out tray in front of him. The inside is arranged differently from his usual bento. More compartments, more varieties. He lifts the small lids one by one. In one of the compartments, something catches his eye. It is small and round, dark in color, and slightly glossy. He has no idea what it is. He eats it. It is sweet with a faint saltiness underneath. He hadn't expected to like it that much. He works through the rest of the bento without hurrying, trying each section in turn. Everything is good. When he finishes, he puts the lids back on and sets the box beside him. He turns to the window. The fields out there are wide and flat. The sky is clear and very blue. He thinks about that small round thing in the first compartment. He never found out what it was. It doesn't bother him. He lets the thought go. The train is still moving south. The sun feels warm across his arm. It was a good lunch. Better than his usual, maybe. He decides to look for that bento next time.